Domestic pigeons are known to take some specific routes on their way home. Can you guess what supports this homing instinct? I am going to talk about a new study which discovered that they can retrace the same path back home even 4 years after they made the first trip. Isn't it impressive? It is actually very challenging to test animals' memory capacity. Dora Biro, a zoologist at the University of Oxford, admits that an animal is rarely required to retrieve the information it stored in its memory several years before. In a recent article, Biro and her colleagues compared domestic homing pigeons' routes 3 or 4 years after they established routes back to their loft from a farm 8.6 kilometers away. The study initially collected data from a 2016 experiment in which pigeons learned routes in different social contexts during several flights. They traveled sometimes on their own and sometimes with peers that did or did not know the way. Using data from GPS devices temporarily attached to the birds' backs, the researchers compared the flight paths a group of pigeons took in 2016 with many of the same birds' routes in 2019 or 2020. Some birds missed a handful of landmarks along the way, but many others took strikingly similar routes to those they used in 2016. Julian Collett, another Oxford zoologist and co-author of the study, says, "It was as if the last time they flew there was just the day before, not 4 years ago." The team found that the pigeons remembered a route just as well if they first flew it alone or with others, and performed much better than those that had not made the journey in 2016. Homing pigeons, like other migrating animals, have been known to use accurate internal compasses when they fly back home. But the research showed that they also memorize landmarks to retrace a route back to their lofts many years afterwards. The result is not surprising, says Vermeer Bingman, who studies animal behavior at Bowling Green State University and was not involved with the study. And he also points out that it provides new confirmation of homing pigeons' remarkable memory. It closes the distance a little bit between our self-centered sense of human abilities and what animals can actually do.